Biggie siya yung tao na kapag kasama mo sa long ride, di ka maiinip dahil napaka-jolly niya at di kayo mauubusan ng kwento talaga. Kaya yun yung isa sa mga nagustuhan ko din sa kanya.
Ano siya, seryosong tao, yung workaholic. Pag nag-joke minsan lang, gano'n. More likely, mas ano siya, workaholic.
In the day I met you, I think I met myself. I don't ever wanna be with anyone else. We got the kind of story that the stories would tell, different than I've ever felt.
Sana maging masaya ka at maging matagumping pamagsaw.
Sana going straight mo dyan. Sana going straight mo.
No, we've got our whole lives, no ending this inside. Darling, all I wanna do is be with you tonight. Yeah, yeah, be with you tonight. Yeah, yeah, be with you tonight. I'll never fully know.
To my BBQ, I love you dahil mahal kita, may iPhone 256 GB ka na para more space ng video and picture natin. Cheers to our forever.
BBQ, thank you sa regalo mo. Mas marami na tayong memories na may star and makaka-capture. Yan lang.
Naiyak ako. Di ko alam ba?
We got the kind of story that the stories would tell, different than I've ever felt.
Magpakarami kayo. Yan lang sabi ko sa inyo. Magpakarami kayo para marami.
Ginawa na niya lahat, kaya masaya na ako. I got you.
You and I know we've got our whole lives, no ending this inside. Darling, all I wanna do is be with you tonight. Yeah, yeah, be with you tonight.
For the manginginom!
Be with you tonight. We're not gonna leave, but I can't get enough of what you do to me. We're not in a rush. We're not gonna leave, but I can't get enough of what you do to me.
Asa yung kamay mo, Poy?
Where are you?
Find my hand.
Okay ka lang ba?
Ba't ang lamig ng kamay nung partner ko? Hindi pa ito ready to. Kailangan ito i-ano.
No, we've got our whole lives, no ending this inside. Darling, all I wanna do is be with you tonight.
To my Jefferson, BBQ, happy 6 years and 5 months today. Same month, same day, but different year. 6 years ago was our first out-of-town trip together. We're both walking around the beach due to my spontaneous plan and ideas. Today, you made me walk down the aisle to our forever. Thank you to your existence that brings peace in my chaos. From day one till now, you always make sure that I'm your priority. Parang floating lang kasi yung feeling. Pero ayun, sobrang saya. Speechless. Hindi nag-work yung brain ko at the moment.
Normal lang na day, pero dahil mahaba na yung pinagsamahan namin, excited kasi finally magiging official na rin yung relationship namin.
Slowly, I'm fading slowly.
Today, on our 76th Matsuri, since January 19, 2019, I promise to laugh with you every day dahil your joyful spirit and open heart brighten every moment and make even silence feel alive.
Into memory where we last forever.
Vicky, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Jefferson na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Apo, Padre. Di na ako nag-expect na may darating pang katulad niya. Na-exceed pa yung pinag-pray ko. Yung parang lang, samo na magsiseryoso ba? Samo na parang papakasalan, ganyan. Pero siya, in-exceed niya lahat yan.
All I ever wanted was to make it right. Open up and watch me.
Sabi ko noon, nagpe-pray ako na nung nakilala ko si Vicky, Lord, ito na ba talaga siya? Sabi ko noon. And binigay naman ni Lord na yung tamang tao sa akin, sa tingin ko.
Thank you for being my consistent fan at support system. Alam ko, iyak ako ngayon. At ito yung pangatlong beses na iyak ako sa harap ko. Nung nawala si Kuya, nung nag-upload ako. At saka sa natin ngayon, this proof kung paano mo ako pinalagaan. Kasi hindi mo ako pinapaiyak.
I vow to stay curious about you, to support your dreams, to be honest when it matters most. I will be your teammate in every adventure, road trips, travels, business venture, and whatever comes next.
Jefferson, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Vicky na iyong pagmamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Yes po, Pat. I will celebrate your strengths and never take your laughter and companionship for granted. With all I am and all I'm yet to become, I give myself to you today, tomorrow, and always. Payabata ka, BBQ.
Thank you for your patience and understanding throughout our relationship, especially the busiest time on our wedding preparation, while working full-time on multiple projects, assisting my visitor and family. We're both physically and mentally tired the past few days, but still we're here, in front of God, in front of everyone. We made it, my love. Lugaran na kang babata, kahapon na yon, bukas at sa walang hanggan. Pangako, alagaan kita. At ang mga magiging anak natin. Love you.
Sa pasimulay nilalang sila ng may kapal, lalaki at babae. At sinabi, dahil dito, iiwan ng lalaki ang kanyang ama't ina at magsasama sila ng kanyang asawa at sila'y magiging isa, kaya't hindi na sila dalawa, kundi isa. Ang pinagsama ng Diyos ay huwag paghiwalayin ng tao.
No, I'm not scared to get lost in